recording to. Halos with the matching nervousness and frequency to the toilet. Because she's been waiting for this night for, let's say, 5 years already. Because the last time we were all gathered like this, it was on her 75th birthday. So all the while, the family, the grandchildren, the children, we promised her that she has to be always strong and healthy so she can, still have another big party, which is this one, her 80th birthday. So Oma, finally, the evening has come. And as you know, we are celebrating the 80 colorful years of Oma Mila. And for all of us, we know her in so many ways, in so many names. For Oma Nonoy, she is best known as Mahal. For the 3 children, Mommy. For the 10 grandchildren, plus of course the in-laws, Oma Mila. And for most of the grandchildren, also especially the children of Mami Wilma, she is also known as Lola Pasay.
Or Lola Lubong. To translate that, Lubong is something you bring when you come home. And we were always expecting some candies or chips or that kind of stuff. That's why we call, when she comes in, Lola Lubong, Lola Lubong.
So she is actually Lola Lubong, of course. And not only for the grandchildren, because now she is also Lola Lubong for the great-grandchildren. As we know in Tagalog, Apo sa tuhod. It's like knee. Apo, grandchildren by the knee or something. Because Oma Mila has now 5 great-grandchildren. The first one is Bamba. Second one is Alicia. And of course, Megan. Where is Megan? Back there. And Talia. The beautiful curly-haired Miss Tisa. I hope she's also there. And of course, the kleinste, Ines. Oh, also back there. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, Oma Mila is not only known for those names among ourselves. Of course, for friends, she's also called Mami Cohen or Mami Mila or simply Mila. But besides that, also for a reason, because Oma Mila, being a mother, a granny, or a grandmother to us, is known to be very thoughtful and very caring. Why very thoughtful? Because as he said, whenever she comes by your house to visit or whenever there's a birthday celebration, with or without money, she always has something by herself. For everybody, for the grandchildren or for the great-grandchildren, always a gift, always a present with her. Of course, that does not count that, you always have to bring a present along, but it's just that Oma Mila is like that. She's very thoughtful, and whenever there's a birthday, she's the only one who brings along a very personalized birthday greeting card with handwritten message in it. So she's very known for being that. And besides that, whenever we think of Oma Mila, she is also the proud woman in the church of Father Moray. Because whenever there's Mother's Day celebration in the church, she is one of those few, I think only 2 of you, Oma, who receives 4 roses. Because for being a grandmother, being a great-grandmother, being mother, and of course, images of, different images of being a woman. So, Oma, ngayong gabi, dahil sa dami-dami ng mga subling na dala ng iyong pagmamahal, meron tayong 3 generasyon, 3 generations tonight who will be sharing their love with you and their birthday treats. So, a lot of surprises.